Welcome back to That Simple Guide. If you're getting this error message when opening up the AMD Adrenalin software, then this is the video for you. If this video is useful, please consider subscribing because my goal is to eventually reach 100,000 subscribers for the silver play button. Okay, now let's get into it. Alright, so let's first check what our current driver version is by going down here and searching up Device Manager. This is the right one. And then in here, let's find our graphics card. That should be under Display Adapters. That's my graphics card right here. So let's make a right click on that and let's click on Properties. And then go over to Driver. Then as you can see, my driver date is from 2024 and this is the version. So if a driver update was installed on your computer and it's not working correctly, you might have the option here to roll back the driver. So you can try that and see if that fixes the error. As you can see, for me, this option is grayed out and I'm assuming my driver is just outdated. So let me close this again and let me go to the web page that is mentioned right here. I'll put the link to that in the description. So that'll lead us to this page. And so I'm going to scroll down here and here we can select the product. So graphics card, Radeon RX 6000 series, and it's a RX 6700 XT in my case. In case you don't know what your model is, just go back to the device manager and it should say there. Okay, so let's submit that. And then as you can see here, we're getting a list of drivers. So in my case, I have Windows 10, so let me click on that. And you can use the auto detect and install one, or you can directly get the driver here. So I'm just gonna take this option and download that. Okay, so now that it's fully downloaded, I'm gonna go ahead and double click it. And select yes on the security pop-up. Okay, so next I'll have to accept the terms and I can update the drivers and the Adrenalin software. Oh, I forgot to mention it's probably a good idea to close this pop-up. Okay, so this is done installing. Let me close it. And now if I try opening up Adrenalin again, it should hopefully work. So as you can see, the error message is gone for me, but for some reason it still doesn't start up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna restart my PC and hope that that'll fix it. Okay, I'm done restarting my PC, so now let's try again. And now it actually opened just on my other screen, but there we go. The error is gone and it's opening like normal. I hope the video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching and goodbye.